Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, the Unapologetic Network, and today you're going to watch me style my Dare to Have hair, where I'm doing a wet set using curl rods. So this is the same wig that I was wearing in my last video, so that's why you see brown foundation on it. But the first thing that I am doing is taking off this front clip. It's unnecessary, I don't use it, so I just want to remove it. I'm using hair cutting scissors. Be super careful when cutting this because you don't want to break the lace. I'm using quick blue bleach to bleach the knots. I am using a 30 volume developer. Now when you're mixing these two formulas, you don't want the bleach to be super runny because you don't want it to bleed through the lace and then bleach the hair strands. So you want this concoction to be more on the thicker side. So now when you're applying the bleach to the lace, you want to use more of like a pat-in motion, because if you pat too rough or like press it on the lace, then of course the bleach will bleed through. So you want to be super careful. I did end up switching to a like baking spatula because I found it easier to pat and then spread the bleach without it bleeding through the lace. I let that sit on for about like 15 to 20 minutes. So after I let the bleach sit on for about 15 to 20 minutes, I am using Redken Color Extend Blondage Color Depositing Shampoo to take off the bleach. And basically this shampoo is good because it's basically a color depositing shampoo. It's good for toning and stiffening. So of course, I use it to help get rid of any brassy tones that might be on the lace. And as you can see, it came out good. Hey. As y'all can see, the lace did bleach well. This is my first time bleaching the knots on a wig, and I think I did a fine job. You can see that it's transparent on the mannequin. As mentioned, I am doing a wet set to style the hair. I am using Warner Bros. Wrapping Foam Lotion. Basically, this is good for whenever you're doing any type of wet set or styling using flexi rods, curl rods, any type of rods. So I did use the length of the curl rod to measure my parting, because you don't want to wrap too much hair because then it will take, for one, it will take longer for the curls to form, as well as it will just look sloppy. So you want to make sure your parting is, I'm not going to say perfect, but you want to make sure it's good. So therefore, all the hair will wrap around the perm rod as it should, and then it will look nice, you know? So I did run out of curl rods, so I did end up just using the perm rods that I do have. Of course, it is going to give a different curl pattern, but at the end of the day, like, I just want my hair to look nice, beautiful, voluminous, voluptuous, silky-ish. It's like, I just want my curls to be nice, so I didn't really care with mix and matching from curl rods to perm rods, but it came out nice. Look at it, hey. As you can see, I'm going back in with the Warner Bros. Foam Wrapping Lotion just to make sure them curls is setting, and I'm going in with the Warner Bros. Styling Spritz, which has a super hold. I love this because it basically sets the hair in place. I did let my hair sit under the blow dryer for about 20 minutes. This is something that I did at night, so I also let it just air dry until I woke up the next morning. This is me the next morning taking out the perm rods, and look how nice it looks. I'm so happy. They came out so cute. Look at that. Yes. Now bounce with me, bounce with me, bounce. Look at them curls. Look at it, look at it, look at it. I must say, styling this wig was super fun. Like, I love how it came out. I did use the ball cap method to apply this wig, which was also my first time ever doing that. It took me forever, but look how nice it came out. Come on, I killed that for the first time bleaching the knots, first time styling the wig, and first time installing the wig. Come on, sis, give me my credits. But thank y'all so much for watching my channel. Make sure y'all subscribe to the Unapologetic Network, where we're unapologetic about what we do.